Hi there! I'm so happy that you're here today. Take a few minutes of your day just for you to breathe, to relax, and feel the calm. You're in the right place to pause, to refresh, and maybe even find a little spark for your day. Hi everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for taking some time out of your day to spend it here with me. Now, have you ever stopped to watch the birds? Like actually take an hour out of your day to watch and observe their every move. They rise with the sun, not knowing what the day will bring. Storms may roll in, winds may howl, and the branches they perch upon may sway or even break. However, they still sing. Through the changing of the seasons, through the bitter cold of winter or scorching heat of summer, the birds carry on. They don't worry about tomorrow's weather or yesterday's storm. They simply do what they were created to do. Live fully in the moment, find beauty in the skies, and share their song with the world. And if they can do all that, then why can't we? You see, birds teach us some of the most powerful lessons in life, not by speaking, but by simply being. So they remind us that no matter what we face, we too can keep going. We too can find reasons to rise, to sing, to soar. I know life isn't always gentle. We all go through harsh seasons, sometimes of grief, loneliness, loss, or maybe even fear. But just like the tiny sorrow facing a gust of wind, we too have strength that's deep within us to endure, to bend, but not to break, and to eventually fly again. Birds don't hoard or stress about what they don't have. They trust that what they need will come. They build nests with what they can find, and they make it a home. There's beauty in that kind of trust, that kind of faith. They're not chasing perfection, they're living on with purpose. Maybe you lift your head even when the clouds gather. Let us keep singing our song, even if the world seems loud and unkind. Let us remember that joy is not the absence of hardship, but the presence of hope. And we, like the birds, can carry that hope within us. No matter the winds that you're facing, the heaviness you may be holding, or the uphill climb before you, remember the birds. You were made to rise again. You were made to shine, to speak kindness, to fly in your own way. And even on the toughest of days, may your soul find the courage to sing. So guys, those are my words of encouragement that I've written for you today. Now, before you leave, Please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, so you never miss another video. And it's a free way you can help out the channel. I want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for your love, your support, and your encouragement. I appreciate each and every one of you. You all have a fabulous day today, and I'll talk to you again soon.